We're doing a basic wreath using 6-inch mesh ribbon from the Dollar Tree. So we are starting with the wreath form, and I have already gotten my pipe cleaners tied on here. There's 18, 3 in each section. Also, I have a gnome from the Dollar Tree. I also have these little pumpkins that have clips on the back that will go straight onto your wreath. I have green and orange ones. I also have 4 ribbons, different colors. So I have yellow, green, brown, and orange, and I just kind of put them all together so that they fold. They'll naturally want to fold to the one side, so let it do that naturally. Then we're going to start at one end, and we're just going to start on the inside of our wreath, and we're going to go all the way around on the inside. Once we do that, we're going to skip the first one, and we're going to go to the outside on that second little pipe cleaner. So we're going to start by gathering our mesh all together to start it, and we're going to hook it to our frame using the first pipe cleaner. Secure it about 3 times. Then to double secure it to our frame, we're going to use a wire tie, and we're going to wire tie it straight to our frame just to secure it so that it doesn't come loose. Now each little bubble is going to be 9 inches long. So we're going to measure 9 inches. And we're going to take that to our next pipe cleaner and secure it, tying it about 3 times so it's nice and secure. And again, we're going to go all the way around the inside, doing 9 inches to each pipe cleaner. Once we've done that, we're skipping the first pipe cleaner we come to on the outside and going to the next one and going all the way around the outside of our frame. And again, my mesh kind of got all balled up a little bit, so it took me a minute. Once we've made it all the way around the outside of our frame, we will cut the rest of our mesh away, and we will use another wire tie just to secure it to the frame on the end. The next thing we're going to do is take each one of our little ruffles and fan them out. And we will alternate this. So if we start with brown on this one, the next one will start with the yellow so that it goes back and forth and so that we don't get all of our colors in the same area. And we're just going to fan out our wreath so that it's nice and spread out and covers the whole frame. And we'll go all the way around doing all of our loops the same way. And again, we're just going to alternate them so that they go back and forth so you don't have all your colors in one area. And there you go. Next, we're going to take some ribbon. And I have these 3 colors of ribbon, and also have that wicker framing, or I don't know what to call it. And we're going to cut 12-inch pieces of ribbon. We're going to cut 4 of each. And next we're going to cut little triangles at the end so that it makes it pretty on the ends. Accidentally cut that one the wrong direction, so I had to fix it. And I'm going to cut these little triangles on all 3 of these different colors of ribbon. Once I've done that, I'm ready to secure them to my frame, and I'm going to take each one of my pipe cleaners that's still sticking up, and I'm going to take one ribbon, and I'm going to fold it in half. And once I do that, I'm going to kind of squish it right there where I folded it, and then I'm going to put it into a V. Once I make a V, then I'm going to secure it to the wreath with my pipe cleaner. So I'm going to put it on my pipe cleaner, and I'm going to secure it about 3 twists, and then I'm going to hide my pipe cleaner down and secure it to the frame and tuck them all away once I've done my ribbons. And then I'll just do that the whole way around the outside. I then decided that I would do the inside with ribbon also, so I did cut some more ribbons after I finished the whole outside. So I put ribbons around my outside pipe cleaners and the inside pipe cleaners. And there you go. I think it looks very pretty. So we're just going to decorate it with a few accessories. This is a little gnome I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to secure it to the frame on the side with a pipe cleaner. And I'm just going to secure it to the frame with a pipe cleaner. And then I'm going to add my little pumpkins with the clips just to the mesh ribbon. And And once I've done that, my wreath is going to be complete. I think this one is my favorite. I like all the ribbons, and you can see how pretty it turned out.